to show you how to set up the PlayStation Portal step by step. So you will need the PlayStation Portal as well as your PS5 to set up. First thing is go ahead and turn it on. If you look on top here, you have the power button here. Press and hold that for about 5 seconds or until you see the PS logo appear. Once it's booted up, you want to go ahead and choose your language. I'm going to go with English here in the United States. Set up a network connection. I want to connect it to my Wi-Fi that's connected to my PS5. Going to enter my password here. After you put in your password, just go down to enter, or you can just tap it with your finger as well. System software update. Update the system software for this device. I'm going to go ahead and download right now. License agreement. Go ahead and read through that. If you agree, go ahead and tap down here. Oops, there we go. So I'll tap on agree right there, and I'll tap on confirm. So it says my battery's low. In order to complete the update, charge the battery to 50%. So let me go ahead and charge this. The charging cable is a USB to USB, or USB-C to USB-C. So let me go ahead and connect one end into the portal right here. And the other end, I'm going to plug that into the USB-C in the front of my PS5. Right there, let it charge. And I just turned my PS5 on. You can see it's charging now by the lightning bolt right there. So I got to wait for it to get to 50%. So it's still charging. It says the system software update will complete once the battery level reaches 50%. So far I'm at 38%. Okay, so as soon as it went to 50%, now it's installing. And now I can go ahead and just unplug this for now, and we're just going to wait till it's done installing, and it says do not turn off your device. So let's be patient here. It's restarting again. Okay, now it says system software update. Update the system software for the PlayStation Portal remote player. I'm going to go ahead and tap on download right there and let it download. Okay, so I get this message again. It says the system software update will complete once the battery level reaches 50%. Okay, it's at 47, so I guess I'm just going to go ahead and just plug it in and leave it plugged in. And now you can see that it's charging with the little lightning icon right there. And again, it says the update will complete once it reaches 50%. Okay, so we just hit 50% battery level, and now we're going to continue with the system software update. Automatically shows up here, installing. This time I'm just going to go ahead and leave it plugged in just in case. And it's rebooting again. Okay, so now we got to sign into our PlayStation Network. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it so I can go back to the couch. So go ahead and sign into your PlayStation Network. You can do it manually or you can do it via QR code. Let me do it with the QR code here myself. Device found. Okay, as soon as I signed in, now we're here. All right, so now it says pair with your PS5, your actual PS5 console. Connect a PS5 to play. Pair your device with any PS5 you recently logged into. You can change which PS5 your device is paired to with at any time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select a PS5 down there. Okay, so I only have one PS5, so I only have one choice here. So let me just tap on that right there. Okay, so now it says verify you can connect to your PS5. So turn on your PS5, and we need to follow these instructions here. So log into your PS5. First thing we want to go to settings. Okay, so go all the way over. Just make sure you signed in and go to settings, that little gear icon right there. And then from here, we're going to go down to system. Then we're going to go down to remote play right there. Then move over to the right. And it says enable remote play. So we want to toggle that on. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to go to power saving now. So I'm going to go ahead and move over to the left. And I'm going to go down one to power saving. Now I'm going to move over to the right. And I'm going to go down to features available in rest mode. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that right there. And I'm going to turn on stay connected to the internet right there, as well as enable turning on PS5 from network. Turn that on as well. Once I do that, I'll go back here and I'll tap on continue. Here's a little tutorial how to open up the quick menu. You can tap that little button right there, or you can go ahead and swipe from the top left as well. Success, you're all set up and ready to go. Let's tap on next. Then once we're here, we're going to tap on the X. And voila, you can see that they're both working there. Let me just go ahead and go back here. And there you go. We're in business. Pretty simple. And there you go. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right. Good luck, guys.